Greetings, YouTube model train people. In this video, I wanted to share with you my latest project I've been working on. It is an HO scale modular apartment complex. I'm designing it in HO scale, but you could make it to whatever scale you wanted. It's designed to be expandable both like sideways and up and down. So I'll kind of show you. This is basically one apartment here, one unit, whatever you want to call it. This is the lower floor. Um, okay, so basically this is the hallway right here. So you'd walk down the hallway and this is your front door. And then you come in and this is the kitchen area over here. Dining area, utility room, small bathroom, living room. There's a patio out here, and then the stairs goes upstairs from there, and then the upstairs, there's basically 3 rooms up. So the upstairs, you come up the stairs, and then there's basically 3 rooms up here, a laundry area, and a bathroom. So I'll show you from the other side here too. So it's designed to be like there would be another one to the side here and another one over here, and then it goes up as many floors as you want above that. I'll jump over to the computer and show that in a little more detail. Okay, so here we are on the computer, and this is basically the unit I just showed you, although this one's a little different. I think as I mentioned, some of the units, not all the units are exactly the same. This is called an end unit. It's actually a little better than the other ones because it's on the end, it has extra windows here and here, windows, and then also it's a little bit bigger because before you had the hallway that came through here, and your front door was like right here, basically. On this one, the door is over there, so your unit's just a little bit bigger. So I'll show the idea of how these all stack together. Okay, so this is one unit again, basically, right here, and this is obviously how the second floor stacks on top of it. And now, here's how they stack sideways. So here's one unit like this. Here's your neighbors or the next unit over. And then this is the next unit over. And then this is an elevator. Um, there's an, I'll show you the elevators here. And then it goes around. The whole thing is designed to be in like a U shape. Let's see if we get it all on the screen here. Yeah. So here's kind of the floor plan. And then the way I had it planned out is there'd be, I haven't designed this yet, but there'd be below this would be park and garage levels. So like for every one or for every 2 floors of living space, there'd be 1 space of garage. So there'd be garage, and then there'd also probably be a common area between the park and garage and the living units. So this is a little bit of a change. My original design, I had another apartment right here on the corner. The only issue with that is in this apartment here, like you wouldn't have any windows here on this side. Like already this bedroom here doesn't have any windows, but like neither of these bedrooms would have any windows. And so I was kind of like, eh. Plus it kind of looks strange on the side how it didn't, it was the windows were different on this end. So I ended up leaving off this unit. There's still 17 units per level like this. So that's still quite a bit of living space. And then this middle unit here, I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to redesign this as like a manager's unit. I'll probably put like all the living space on the second floor, and then the lower floor down here will be there's going to be like a freight elevator for moving furniture or appliances or whatever up and down, and there'll be like an office where you can come in and pay your rent or whatever. And then yeah, so I'll show you how it scales up. So yeah, I had a vision of it being tall enough that like when it's on the layout, you can't see the roof. So you'd look at it kind of like, from this angle, you'd look at it up. So it looks like, like a skyscraper. And this so I have 14 levels here. And with the 14 levels, that means there are 238 total units. So you could have theoretically, like 300 to 500 people living in this thing. So yeah, that's like the overall view of it. And yes, I will do a roof. I just haven't gotten to it yet. I mean, not that you'll see it anyway, but I don't want you to like look up through here and see the sky through these open windows. So yeah, I will do that. And I've got a plan for the garage. I just haven't got it laid out yet. And then I don't have any plan for what I'm going to do with I think the garage is not going to be U-shaped. It will be rectangular. It'll come all the way across. And then on the second or on the common space, whatever, I think out here there's going to be maybe like a tennis court or a basketball court or something. Like, to figure out how that all will work out. But yeah, so that is what I've been working on, and I will put all the files required to make this up on Thingiverse. I haven't done it yet because I'm still working out some of the bugs. There's still some little issues. I still haven't completely decided. Like I may add windows on this end here. I haven't decided if I want to do that or not. And yeah, I need to finish some stuff up. I'm gonna actually make an elevator, and I don't think it'd be real hard, but I don't think it think I can make actual elevators that will go up and down these shafts. I think with just a motor at the bottom down here and like just like a string that goes all the way up with some pulleys at the top, that it wouldn't be too hard to make an elevator run up and down through these. Yeah, so. Oh, and the elevator actually only stops, I don't know if I said this before, the elevator only stops at every other floor. So it stops here and here and here because that's where there are only hallways. It doesn't stop on the even numbered floors like this one because that'd be someone's bedroom. So yeah, it only goes to the hallways. And originally my plan was to have like one elevator per like unit, so everybody would have their own like door out of the elevator. But that kind of was like, yeah, no, I changed my mind on that too. There's been several game time decisions that I've changed once I got it. Um, once I started really looking at it, it's things that just seemed impractical. So anyway, that's what I've been working on. I will keep you updated and get the Thingiverse files posted up when I've got all the bugs worked out. Okay, so here we go. Hot off the, or warm off the printer at least. Uh, this here we have 3 downstairs units printed. That will go. Oops, I got this one turned around. And so this is the special middle unit that has the elevator attached to it. So this one's slightly different, as if there's fewer windows. And this one is the better end unit that is larger by this amount and has these windows here and here. Other than that, it's exactly the same.